Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to read out SST Social Studies. Here we go for page number 1. This is page number 1. First of all, we have to write date, reading and day. Today is 3rd April 2020 and the day is Friday. Here we can see the picture of a boy. His name is Ahmad. He is introducing himself. Let's read out with me. I am Ahmad. मैं अहमद हूँ. I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. I study in class KG. मैं KG क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ. I like to play cricket. मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना पसंद है. Okay students, here we see the other picture of a girl. She is also introducing herself. Let's read what she is saying. I am Sarah. मैं सारा हूँ. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. I study in class KG. मैं KG क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ. I like to read books. मुझे किताबें पढ़ना पसंद है. Students, hope you all understand this lesson. You have to read it out at your homes and also make your videos of your introduction. Okay? You have to make videos of your introduction like Ahmad or Sarah. Okay? And hope you all are enjoying your studies. Take care.